अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है कि आज आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं अभी क्या टाइम हो रहा है? जी जी, घड़ी को देख के बताइए। ओके, सो इट्स 2 PM। आपने कभी सोचा है कि टाइम क्या होता है? वी ऑलवेज से दैट वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, हमें बहुत जल्दी है, वक्त गुजर रहा है, मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है। व्हाट डज दैट मीन? एवरी वन ऑफ यू नोज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम, पर आज मैं आपको एग्जैक्टली टाइम की स्टोरी बताऊंगी। इट इज़ अ ह्यूमन परसेप्शन दैट टाइम passes. We regard the change in the object's position with time. Let's say a body that covers some displacement from point A to point B, it covers the displacement in some time. इसीलिए हम टाइम को रिलेट करते हैं उस ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन से, और जो वो ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन चेंज होती है। We also can say about the day or night by the change in the position of Earth and Moon. जाहिर है जब सन नीचे चले जाता है तो हम कहते हैं रात हो गई है, और जब सन की पोजीशन वापस चेंज हो जाती है तो हम कहते हैं कि सुबह हो गई है। हम वक्त का अंदाज़ा चीज़ों की जगह और हालात बदलने से लगाते हैं। नाउ टेल मी, अब रफ एस्टिमेट मिल गया आपको टाइम का। और अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि घड़ी देखे बगैर मुझे टाइम बताएं, जस्ट बाहर देखकर खिड़की से, आप बता सकेंगे? एटलीस्ट आप गेस तो कर सकते हैं ना कि सुबह का टाइम है, नून है, या जो भी कर सकते हैं ना आप। आपने अंदाज़ा कैसे लगाया? हाउ डिड यू गेट द आइडिया ऑफ टाइम? बाहर देखकर, बिल्कुल, बाय लुकिंग एट द सन। पहले ज़माने में भी इंसान ऐसे ही करते थे। Earlier, man thought of time by looking at the sun. When we had not invented the clocks and watches, he used an instrument known as the sundial to measure time. This is how a sundial looks. Interesting है ना? Well, the handle of the stick forms a shadow, and when the earth rotates, the position and posture of the shadow changes, which helps us to estimate time. Humans thought that the sun changes its position. That's why the position of the shadow is changing. But आज हमें पता है कि ऐसा नहीं है. It is discovered now that Earth is the one which is rotating around the sun. सन तो बिल्कुल स्टिल होता है। अच्छा, अब ये तो सुबह की बात हो गई। अगर रात को मैं आपको कहूँ कि क्लॉक को देखे बगैर टाइम बताएं तो आप कैसे देखेंगे? सन तो आपके पास नहीं है। बिल्कुल, आप स्टार्स को देखेंगे, बिकॉज पहले भी मैन यूज टू लुक एट द स्टार्स टू एस्टिमेट द टाइम एट नाइट। द पोजिशन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक स्टार्स ऑन द स्काई वॉज रेफर टू अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम। क्या आपने सुना है कभी टाइम मेजरिंग डिवाइस के बारे में जो सबसे पहली वाली थी? इट वॉज अ वाटर क्लॉक. Water in a vessel was allowed to escape through a pinhole in the bottom. The amount of water and the size of the hole determined how long it would take to empty. पर आपने कभी ये सोचा है कि हम टाइम मेजर ही क्यों करते हैं? हमें क्या ज़रूरत है मेजर करने की? Why is it important for us to know the exact time? Students, if time does not exist, everything will happen just as happening now. The only difference is that things would happen in an instant and it will be over. Nothing to see, nothing to hear. We need to have an estimate about time because with the increase in the population, we need to measure the requirements of food. Man observed that different crops grow in different times of the year and in different seasons, such as Rabi crops and Kharif crops. So to grow the crops, it was important to get the accurate guess of the season and time. And when man used the sundial to measure time, he came to know that the pattern made by the sundial repeats itself after 360 days. After close observation, he came to know that actually it is not 360, but it is 365 days. इससे हमारे पास क्या इन्वेंशन मिली? हमारी कैलेंडर की इन्वेंशन आ गई. Now you know why is it important for a man to have a calendar. कैलेंडर से क्या निकला? ईयर ओरिजिनेट हुआ. हमें समझ आई कि ईयर्स भी होते हैं. सो नाउ we can know about the time that was measured or calculated for the first time was actually a year. And a year can mean the orbital period of any planet. For example, a Martian year and a Venusian year are examples of the time the Mars planet or the Venus planet takes to transit one complete orbit. And the time required by the Earth to complete its trip around the Sun is estimated to be 365.242, which is known as 1 year in Gregorian calendar. क्या आपको पता है लीप ईयर क्या होता है? Actually, the Earth cannot complete its revolution. It does not come back to the position exactly from where it had started. So there is a delay in its orbit, which means it requires some more time to complete one revolution. In each leap year, the month of February has 29 days instead of 28 days. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि हमारे पास लीप ईयर्स होते ही क्यों हैं? Our calendar has 365 days in a year because that's pretty much how long it takes for the Earth to orbit the Sun. The problem is that in reality it takes the Earth around 365 and a quarter days to circulate the Sun, which means our calendar is out by around a quarter of a day a year, which means 6 hours. Each year that is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year, except for years that are exactly divisible by 100. But these centuries years are leap years if they are exactly divisible by 400. For example, the year 1700, 1800 and 1900 are not leap years, but the year 1600 and 2000 are. क्या आपको पता है कि where did we get the concept of months? Years का तो आपने सुन लिया. हमें months का अंदाजा moon से मिला. We know that the moon completes its revolution around the earth in 29 days. But the reason behind 12 months in a year was that the moon repeats its revolution around the earth 12 times. And from this same concept, we have 12 hours in our clocks, just like the man used celestial bodies to make clocks. आपको इस फ्लो चार्ट से पता चल रहा होगा that a month has 4 weeks. But the concept of week does not come from any rotation or revolution. जो week का concept है, that is actually based on religion. Whereas the concept of one day is based on the spinning of earth about its own axis. The Babylonians divided their lunar months into 7-day weeks, with the final day of the week holding particular religion significance. One day is actually 24 hours. And why have we divided a day into 24 hours? इसका रीज़न ये है that 24 is the most divisible number. 1 से भी 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. इन सबसे divisible है. So we can divide a day in 2 parts or 3 parts depending on the nature of our job. अब हम इससे भी अगर कम आ जाएं, and if we talk about the smaller unit of time than hour, we can say it's a minute. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? जी बिल्कुल 60 minutes. Just like 60 seconds in a minute. अब second पे अगर हम आए तो it is the standard unit of time. Students, remember the SI unit of time is second. And every measurement in science should be in the standard unit. But for everyday measurements, we need larger units too. For that purpose, we convert it in the standard unit. Earlier, man measured the time using different instruments like sundial, simple pendulum, water clocks and sundials. But अब हम atomic clocks use करते हैं. 1 second is the duration of 9,192,631,770 period of the radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom. We have chosen the cesium atom because it has the most stable frequency. So students, ये थी कहानी टाइम के ऊपर. अब हम इस एपिसोड के की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1, it is a human perception that time passes. Number 2, we relate time with the change in the object's position. 3, since 1967, the second has been defined as exactly the duration of 9,192,631, 770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium. Whereas, that is known as 133 atom. Number 4. 60 seconds make 1 minute and 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Number 5. 1 day has 24 hours and a week has 7 days and a month has 28 days. So 1 year has 12 months. And lastly, number 6. A leap year has 1 more day and it comes after 4 years. But if the 4th year is a centurial year, it would not be regarded as a leap year unless it is divisible by 4. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. Why do we need to have leap years? A. Because it takes the earth longer than a year to orbit the sun. B. Because the sun is getting gradually smaller. C. Because the earth's rotation is slowing down. The correct answer is A. Because it takes the earth longer than a year to orbit the sun. Question number 2. We have 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes in an hour, and 60 seconds in a minute. To what ancient people do we owe this system based on the number 60? A. The Babylonians. B. The Greeks. C. The Romans. D. The Chinese. The correct answer is A. The Babylonians. Question number 3. 1 second is defined as 9,192,631,770 transitions of what element? A. Uranium. B. Hydrogen. C. Cesium. B. Plutonium. The correct answer is C. Cesium. Question number 4. What is 6:30 p.m. in 24-hour time? A. 6:30. B. 18:30. C. 6:30. The correct answer is B. 18:30. Question number 5. How many days are there in a leap year? A. 366. B. 364. C. 365. The correct answer is A. 366. Number 6. How often do leap years occur? A. Every 8 years. B. Every 6 years. C. Every 4 years. The correct answer is C. Every 4 years. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.